Guys, who wants $50 from 1 hour worth of work? If you want $50, go ahead and leave a comment down below saying $50. This today is a new money-making method and only a few people know about this. I'll show you how you can make up to $50 in less than 1 hour of work. This is absolutely free and this works all over the world. You won't be selling anything, you won't be promoting anything at all, you will not be needing your own website and you will not be needing any followers. All you need to do is follow everything I show you in this video and just sign up for free, then you'll be able to collect your earnings. $50 might not seem like a lot of money, but you can do it over and over again. And since it can be done in less than an hour, you can just use this method as your side hustle in order to earn extra income. You absolutely do not need to do this as a full-time job. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. So look at these countries listed over here. Now, if you can find your country here on this screen right here, there's a great chance that this will work for you. Because this works worldwide and it works in many different countries. So wherever you are in the world right now, you can get paid with this method. Now, this right here is the main platform which we will be using. And you don't have to worry because I will be explaining to you a step-by-step on how you can use this brand new platform in order to make money online repeatedly. This method will take you less than 1 hour, which is nothing. And I'll be telling you how people all over the world are using this platform to make money over and over again every single day. Okay, so people come to this platform to review different products. There are different companies here and different products which are being reviewed by different people every single day, just like you and me. Every time people create a review, they earn money. But before anything else, make sure you follow all of the steps that I will be teaching you in order for this to work properly. Okay, so let's do this. This is going to be a lot easier than you think, and you do not need to buy anything from this website. You don't need to buy these different softwares right here. You don't need to record your voice or create videos for the products. You do not need to go through all of that. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do this in less than an hour of work. First of all, I need you to come over to g2.com. Again, this is g2.com. Now, when you're on the home page, I need you to scroll a bit down and right here where you can see using software, write a review helped over 5 million monthly buyers want to make the right choice for their business. This is exactly why G2 was paying you for writing a review. You see, as you write a review, people or buyers will be able to see what you have been experiencing with the product. If ever you recommend it or not, you will be showing them how the product has helped you or how the product is useless. Now, what usually happens is that when you have a good review about the software, great chances are people are going to buy it, especially if it has been a great benefit to your work or your studies. So now I want you to click on this write a review button right here like so. Then there will be 4 simple steps just for you to follow. You will select which category you will focus on, you will leave a review on the product in less than 2 minutes, or you can actually take the time, then you will need to share it on LinkedIn. After that, you will then collect your earnings. Simple, right? Okay, now let's pick a category. As you can see, we have advertising, e-commerce, retail, finance, accounting, HR, sales, information technology, marketing, business operations, and so much more. You can pick whatever category that you want to write a review on. And since I like finance and business, I'll select finance and accounting just right here. Now, you cannot select which software you will be writing a review on. If you can find something that you personally like or use, go ahead and pick that software. That way you can give an honest review about the product, either you like it or not, or has it been helpful or not? Does it have bugs or does it run smoothly? It all depends on your experience. Now, I think almost all of you are now familiar with the software called Skype and Zoom, especially after the pandemic started, where we started to work from home and study from home. So for example, right here, I will be using Skype just for this video. So now that you have selected the product or software of your choice, we will now then click on continue right here. here. Click on this button, then click on review. Now all you need to do is create a G2 account, and to do so all you need is click on continue to log in, this blue button right here, and you can then log in via either LinkedIn, Google Business, or your email address. I'll go ahead and click on email because this will be easier on my part. Once you sign in, they will start asking different questions about the specific product or software. This will literally take us up to 2 minutes. This is really fast. You can go over to these questions easily and quickly. For example, this question right here, how likely is it that you would recommend Skype to a friend or a colleague? I'll be choosing 10 as my rating. Then I will need to add the title to my review. Now here's the tip that I'm going to be showing you. Whenever you give feedback on a software, you can go ahead to Google and search for reviews of that specific software or product. Then you can recreate or paraphrase them. So I'll be searching Skype review G2, and I'll click on this link right here. Now I'll be going through different reviews that people made about this product about Skype. Now you can get some ideas if you can't construct your own words and then just type them in there. You have to know that G2 does not accept copy and paste, so you will need to type it down yourself. You have to fill all of these boxes right here and answer all of the questions. What do you like best about Skype? What do you dislike? Whatever product you're reviewing, write down your thoughts. And now, as I told you, you can pick any software right. Now in order for G2 to accept your review, it needs to be unique. It should not be plagiarism. Again, if you need ideas, just click on other reviews, and once G2 accepts your review, you get up to $20 per review, and that's awesome. So write a detailed, high quality review so that people will see how Skype will be useful to them. So if we go back to g2.com homepage, you can see that there's a lot of softwares which you can leave a review on. There are thousands and thousands of softwares, so that means you have big chances to review softwares and get paid for your reviews. And you can review 1 to 5 products per day, or depending on how many products you want to review. G2 will at least accept 1 to 2 reviews, and even though it's just 1 or 2 or even 3, it's still a good side hustle. This method is so easy, and you guys can literally start doing this for free right now. And that brings us to the end of today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a comment, drop a like, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell to help our channel grow bigger and bigger. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video on how to make money online. Take care.